Jai Shri Gurudev. So already last class we already discussed about what is Cartesian product of the sets. Okay, and important points. Next we will move to the exercise 2.1 and example problems related to the Cartesian product. Okay, exercise 2.1. See, this is the first question. If x by 3 plus 1, comma, y minus 2 by 3 is equals to, this is one ordered way, this is x coordinate, this is total as y coordinate, is equals to 5 by 3, comma 1 by 3, 5 by 3, comma 1 by 3. Find x and y, find x and y. X, y now find out one. Okay, how to solve this one? See, already told now one point, very important point already told. So if two coordinates are equal, if two coordinates are equal, then we can tell that its x coordinate corresponding x coordinates are equal. Coordinates, pairs, two pairs are equal, coordinate pairs are equal. Therefore, x coordinate corresponding x coordinates are equal and corresponding y coordinates are equal. So this is the condition. So that's why this is total x, this is total x. We have to equal these two things, and this is y, this is y. We have to equal these two things. Understood or not? So like that we have to search answer. How to do this one? Equal it. So x by 3 plus 1 is equals to 5 by 3. 5 by 3. Okay. X by 3 plus 1 is equals to 5 by 3. Okay. And another one, y minus 2 by 3 is equals to 1 by 3. Y minus 2 by 3 is equals to 1. Simplify. X by 3 is equals to 1. Last it is splitting. It will become minus 1. So 5 by 3 minus 5 by 3 1. If we move to the LHS RHS means minus 1. It will become minus 1. Okay. So calculate this one. Okay. Calculate ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ so ಏನು calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 3 is the LCM now. So 3 is the LCM. 3 is the LCM. So 5 minus 3 instead of 5 minus 3 equals to what? 2 by 3. So therefore x by 3 is equals to 2 by 3. 3 cancel. So therefore x is equals to what? 2. X is equals to. Okay. X is equals to. Like that we have to calculate the x. Next we will move to the y. Okay. Y minus 2 by 3 is equals to 1 by 3 now. So y is equals to what? 1 by 3 minus will become plus. So y minus 2 by 3 equals to 1 by 3. So therefore y is equals to 1 by 3 minus 2 by 3 will becomes what? Plus 2 by 3. So plus 2 by 3. Okay. Y is equals to 3 is the LCM now. 3 is the LCM. So 3 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 by 3 equals to 1. 3 cancel all the numbers. So y is equals to what? Y is equals to 1. Okay. So like that we have to calculate. This is also one of the important question. Okay. So my dear students, like that you have to solve. Okay. One example problem is there. Right then. So next we will move to the example 1. This is same related. No, that's why doing this. Example 1. If x plus 1, comma, y minus 2 is equals to 3, comma 1. X plus 1, y minus 2 equals to 3, comma 1. Find x and y. Find x and y. So you have to find x. Same concept. You have to equal the corresponding x coordinates, corresponding y coordinates. How we do this? X plus 1 here 3. So therefore x plus 1 is equals to 3. Okay, answer. Next, y minus 2 is equals to 1. Y minus 2 is equals to 1. Okay, simplify it. X is equals to what? 3 minus 1. X is equals to 3 minus 1. So x is equals to what? X is equals to 3 minus 1 is equals to x is equals to. Like that, very easy simplification. Okay, next here. Y is equals to what? 1 plus 2. So minus 2 will become plus 2. So y is equals to 3. So y is equals to 3, x is equals to 2. Okay. So like that you have to simplify. Very easy problem. Example 1. X is equals to 2, y is equals to 3. Okay. Next, we will move to the second question. Second question in the exercise 2.1. If the set has three elements, A has three elements. A has how many elements? Three elements. And the set B is given like this: 3, 4, 5. How many elements are there? 3. Again 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 elements are there. Find the number of elements in A cross B. Already told now one formula. So therefore, answer. How you can write the answer? N of A, number of elements in A. Number of elements in A is what? Number of elements in A is what? 3. So 3. Okay. Next. N of B is equals to number of elements in B. Number of elements in B. How many elements are there? See. 3, 4, 5. How many elements? 3 elements only is there. 3 elements. So therefore, N of B equals to 3. Okay. Next, what to calculate? The number of elements in A cross B. So therefore, N of A cross B. N of A cross B. So therefore, N of A cross B is equals to what? So one formula is there now. I have to multiply these two things. 3 into 3. So 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. So in A cross B, the number of elements in A cross B is equals to 9. Okay na? Very easy and very important also. Multiplication model is 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. Okay. See, next we will move to the third question. If G is equals to 7, 8, H is equals to 5, 4, 2, find G cross H and H cross G. So therefore, answer. G cross H. G cross H. G cross H. How to do this one? See. So 7 is there now. 7, 5. 7, 5, 7, 4, 7, 2. Okay. 7, 5, 7, 4, 7, 2. Over now. Next we move to the 8. 8, 5. 8, 5. 8, 5, 8, 4, 8, 2. 8, 4, 8, 4, 8, 2. Okay. So like that I have to simplify. So this is the answer for G cross H. Next, H cross G. H cross G. H means what? H means first you have to consider first set is what here? What? H. First H. H first. I will is a number 5, 7. 5, 7. 5, 8. 5, 8. Over. 5 over. Next 4. 4, 7. 4, 8. 4, 8. Okay. 4, 7, 4, 8. Next 2. 2, 7, 2, 8. 2, 7, 2, 8. Very easy now. So like that we have to simplify. Okay. So very easy. So first set ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ first ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Have to take that one with the second one. Okay. Pair. Have to do the pair. Number of pairs you have to write. Very easy concepts. Okay. Please learn the concepts. Okay. Next we will move to the same related problem in example 2. Okay. Example 2. See. How to solve this one? Example 2. See. Let P set is given like this: A, B, C, and Q set as R only. From form the set P cross Q. Already told no? P cross Q and Q cross P. This related problems already told. So many problems. Very easy. Are these two products equal? So P cross Q cross P calculated. After the calculating, you have to decide whether it is equal or not. Okay. How to solve this? So P cross Q. First set is what? First set is what? P. P you have to consider. A, R. A, R. B, R. B, R. C, R. Oh, that's it. Very easy. Next, we will move to the Q cross P. First set is what? First set is Q. First you have to consider Q. Okay. R first over the R, A, R, B, R, C. Okay. R, A, R, B, R, C. Okay. Observe these two sets. Two sets observe ಮಾಡಿ. Both are same. A, R, A are not same. Adjust ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್. A ಇದೆ ಹಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತಾ. X coordinate should be equal, Y coordinate should be equal. then only we can tell that the two pairs are equal. Okay, so P cross Q is not equals to Q cross P. Both are not equal. Okay, why? Because different ordered pairs are there in the two respective P cross Q and Q cross P sets. Q cross P sets. Okay, so that's why both are not equal. Okay, that's why. Okay, next if you observe this one, in a easy method A, R, B, R, C, R, like that also you can write. Okay, so ulta maadadre answer madutte. Okay, so this is also answer. Next we move to the question number 4 in exercise 2.1. State whether each of the following statements are true or false. You have to identify whether the given statement is true or false. Rewrite the given statements correctly. If false is there, false so write the correct statement. Okay, so two questions are there, so three questions are there. So first question written. See, first question, if P is equals to M comma N, set M comma N, Q is equals to N comma M. Okay, then P cross Q is given like this, M comma N, N comma M. Okay, so this is right or wrong? This is false. This is incorrect. So this is false. Why? Because what means P cross Q calculate ಮಾಡಿ. M comma N is there. Okay, good. M comma N is there. Next M comma M is not there. Okay. That's why. So this is not a right statement. That's why it's a false. So what is the correct statement? P and Q is right. P cross Q is equals to. Okay. Write all once again. See. Next correct statement. I am writing correct statement. So if P is equals to Q is equals to, then P cross Q is equals to what? M comma N, okay, M comma N, next N comma N, okay, N comma N. So this is the right statement, but here only two elements are there. Total 4 elements should consider. Okay, 4 elements have to write. Okay, this is the correct statement. So above statement is false. Okay, next we move to the second question. Okay, next question number 2. So this is question number 2. If A and B are non-empty sets, then A cross B is non-empty set of ordered pairs x comma y such that x belongs to A. So x belongs to A. So therefore first set will be good. Y belongs to B, second set. So this is right. Why? Because non-empty set also, right? A is non-empty set. Automatically A cross B is also non-empty set with the same coordinate pairs. Okay. So this is a true statement. This is true statement. No need to write it again. True statements na matte bari avashyakate illa. So this is true statements. Okay. Next we will move to third question. Next we will move to the third question of this fourth round. Okay. If A is equals to 1 comma 2 is given, B is equals to 3 comma 4 is given. 1 comma 2, 3 comma 4. Then A cross B intersection pi is equals to pi. So we have to find out whether it is true or false. True or false ಅಂತ identify. So in order to find whether it is true or false, first you have to calculate this value. Calculate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay na? So calculate ಮಾಡಿ. A cross B intersection pi is equals to. So A means this one is there. B intersection pi, first the B intersection pi calculate ಮಾಡಿ. So B intersection pi. So B intersection pi is nothing but what? Pi only. Why? Because don't need to write it again. So pi is null set, B is another set. Intersection with the smallest set answer. So therefore this is pi. Okay. Next A cross B intersection pi is equals to what? Is equals to A cross pi. Okay. So this is pi. So therefore A cross pi. So if already told one point. in last video. Okay, what is that? A cross pi means if any one set is pi then its Cartesian product is what? Pi only. This is answer is pi. So it is right. This is right. This is a true statement. Okay, so my dear students, this is a true statement. No need to write again statement. Okay, so calculate like this. Calculate ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ find out ಮಾಡಿ. So if it is true means no need to write and again the correct statement. Why? Because it is always true. Okay, true statements. Okay, my dear students, this is about the question number 4. Okay. So my dear students, if you like this video means please share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, you'll get the continuous videos. You can learn the concepts very easily. If you have any doubt means you can clarify through WhatsApp or comment in this below video. Thank you.